Hello everyone, my name is Mike. Have you ever wondered what is the difference between heat and temperature? Or are they the same thing? In this video, we will answer these two questions using some great animated examples. Well, most of us at home might think, why would I ask such a silly question? Because we often assume from everyday language that when an object's temperature is high, it simply means the object has more heat. We treat temperature and heat as if they are synonymous. However, it turns out that this is not the case. In this video we will explain the difference. Let's first examine what heat is by using simple example. Suppose you have a cup of boiling hot water and the entire Indian Ocean on the other hand. From experience, we all know it is obvious that the Indian Ocean contains many liters of water than our cup of boiling hot water. This means that the Indian Ocean has a far greater number of water molecules than our cup of boiling hot water. As a result, the water in the Indian Ocean contains more heat than our cup of boiling hot water. This is because heat is defined as the total kinetic energy of all the water molecules in the substance. When you add up the kinetic energy of every single molecule in the ocean, the total value you get is much greater than the total kinetic energy of the molecules in a single cup of boiling water. From this explanation we also see why heat is measured in joules. Now, let us examine what temperature is. Still using the same example of the Indian Ocean and the cup of boiling hot water, this time we notice that the cup of boiling hot water has a higher temperature than the Indian Ocean. Based on this observation, we can see that temperature is more like the average kinetic energy per molecule, whereas heat is the total kinetic energy of all the molecules. To put it simply, temperature measures how fast the individual molecules are moving on average, while heat measures the combined energy of all the moving molecules. This explains why a small cup of boiling hot water can have a higher temperature but far less heat than the vast Indian Ocean. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius, or other units such as Kelvin, K, and Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit, in different contexts. Understanding this distinction is crucial because it helps us make sense of how energy transfer works in the real world. So, the next time you hear someone say something is hot because it has more heat, you'll know that it might be more complicated than that. Stay tuned for more exciting explanations with clear and fun animated examples. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you find this video helpful.